Right at the top of this video, please hit the like button down below, the thumbs up button. That will tell Google and YouTube my video has value and credibility, and other people might be able to find my video at the top of Google search results all because you hit like. So feel free to tap the screen if you're on mobile, hit the gear icon and speed me up playback speed, or you can do that on your desktop computer if you're on YouTube on desktop or on TV, whatever, just to speed me up. So you can see here, I'm searching for Retina Clear because people are searching for something online called Retina Clear right now. And I want to tell you what I have found about this. You can tell here, there are already a few different listings here on the left that are sponsored, meaning they're ads. Here's one from Amazon, and then something else, and then something else. And the first one here, the first real search result is from Access Newswire. You might be saying, oh, wow, they put out a news release or a press release. Kind of, not really. The way these sorts of things often work is that different people behind these schemes for this and other different products out there, they do whatever they can to make the name of these products show up anywhere they can to dominate search results. That's one of the reasons why I told you to hit like, so that my video can be at the top. You can kind of see what the product looks like right here, Retina Clear. Oh, that's not a very clear photo, is it? And there's also another product over here called Retina Clear, which is kind of like short. I don't know if that's the same thing under a different name or what's going on with that, but we don't need to talk necessarily about all of that. So you scroll down here, you can start seeing different things about this. Retina Clear and then Sight Clear. Is this the same thing, just under a different name? I can't really tell. And you keep going down, you see other stuff here. And here's what I want to point out. Whenever I was looking around on Facebook, I started seeing ads for Retina Clear, and one of them called it a 7-second eye flow hack that helped support clearer, sharper sight by restoring blood flow to the eyes. And I'm getting the feeling, I don't know if we're gonna be able to find out for sure, this is maybe coming from Brazil. Let me see if I can find page transparency. Oh, I am wrong. Malaysia and the Philippines is where this specific ad is coming from on Facebook and Meta. So let's hit play on this.
If your vision is getting...
And let me back that up and see what this says exactly. Let me hit play right here.
If your vision is getting worse each year, your heart may be trying to tell you something. For years, I thought my eyesight was just fading with age, but what I didn't realize was that my eyes were actually warning me, not just about my vision, but about my circulation, my brain, even my heart. According to groundbreaking research from Oxford University, scientists found something incredible while studying over 12,000 patients with vision issues. The same plaque and buildup that clogs your arteries is also clogging the tiny blood vessels in your retina. Those vessels are what deliver oxygen and nutrients to your eye cells. When they're blocked, your vision can start to fade, slowly at first, then all at once. Blurriness, eye fatigue, cloudy patches, trouble seeing at night. These might not just be eye problems, they could be a circulation problem. That's when I discovered Retina Clear, a simple, natural formula designed to help unclog retinal vessels, restore healthy oxygen and nutrient flow, promote clearer, more comfortable vision, and support heart and brain health in the process. I started using this 7-second ritual each morning.
All right, so they're talking about a 7-second ritual. What did they say exactly? 7-second ritual each morning, something called Retina Clear. Why can't we see the person who's talking is one question. Is it an AI-generated voice? What's going on with that? Anyway, so that is an ad that's going around right now on Facebook from Malaysia and the Philippines. You might be saying, oh, they don't really talk about Malaysia and the Philippines, other places where you try to search for this. And of course they don't, because you'd probably be like, oh, I don't know about that. I saw this ad too here. It's got this person here doing something interesting. Let's see exactly what they say here for a moment.
There's one simple vision hack anyone can use to improve vision.
So this guy here, don't know who he is, got some ideas though, has like apple cider vinegar in the background with a lime and lemon, and is doing something with his eyes, very specific for this video, I guess, and is basically making this, I'm recording this on Facebook here, in a public video, is making this video and is showing like tea bags or something on his eyes to make you think there's some special hack or something, and that they're going to reveal that. This ends up being a bottle of pills, though, is what this is, supplements or whatever it is. That's what this is. And they're not being upfront about that, because if they tell you at the beginning, we have a bottle of pills for you, you're not going to watch it. So instead, they like to promise you, scammers do, whoever they are, that this is all going to be something about a recipe, and we're going to reveal that recipe to you, the 7-second ritual for Retina Clear. And just don't believe that sort of thing. So this will take you to this website, Oxford-backed documentary, doctor, Oxford-backed doctor uncovers 7-second eye flow hack for sharper vision at any age. And they got like a recipe mixture here on the left, and they have an eyeball on the right? So trying to make you think, wow, this is great. This is going to show today's date no matter what day you access the website. That's how that is. A world-renowned vascular researcher is under fire from the $147 billion vision industry for an eye flow ritual. By the way, no universities, including Oxford, have anything to do with this. They lie to you and these sorts of things. Oh, they really... Well, we didn't say the study had to do with us specifically. We just talked about Oxford had a study about vision. Yeah, but you know what you're doing here. You're trying to make it look like Oxford has something to do with this specifically, and they don't. 7-second eye flow ritual. 7-second eye flow ritual. And this will lead to this website, which is tryretinaclear.com/video, canceled optometrist. This odd red root hack restores perfect 20/20 vision in weeks at any age. And this is the same sort of thing that I see all the time where they claim in like a Facebook ad that goes to a landing page that the third step is the video like this, which is going to be really long. It's going to have a progress bar that goes really fast at the beginning, but it slows down to crawl because they want you to think at the beginning of the video, it's going really fast. It's going to be a fast video. I better stick around. It's not going to be fast. Let's hit play, watch a part of this for a second, and I'll show you where this goes.
It surprised optometrists everywhere. Researchers from Oxford University used high-powered retina imaging to zoom into the eyes of over 12,000 patients with declining vision. What they found shocked the scientific community. Doctors discovered the quality of someone's vision was directly linked to how clogged the blood vessels in their eyes were. Meaning, if your vision has gotten worse, it's because the blood flow to your eyes has gotten worse too. Everybody knows poor circulation slowly harms our hands, feet, and even organs. With this discovery, we now know it harms our eyes too, which makes sense because if the cells in your eye don't get enough oxygen and nutrients, they suffocate. Even scarier was the fact that if someone's eyes were clogged, the arteries in the rest of their body were clogged too. So much so, doctors could predict how close someone was to experiencing a fatal heart attack or stroke based on how bad their vision was. Believe it or not, this is good news because these same doctors also discovered how to quickly and easily reverse this problem. A simple red root hack you can safely do at home today, opening the microscopic capillaries of other small vessels.
So they call it red root hack because there's always some hack or ritual or method or whatever, with these sorts of different scams that are going around online. And they pick an ingredient, whether it's a lemon hack or an ice hack or whatever. Pick a pantry ingredient or like a vegetable or a fruit. And you're going to think, well, maybe this fruit or this vegetable I've known about my whole life does have special properties, and they want to string you along. And again, it's a bottle of pills, and they're not going to tell you that up front.
Vessels of your eyes, flushing out the toxic buildup that makes eyesight worse, rebuilding the delicate cells of the inner eye, quickly restoring perfect 20/20 vision, while also slashing your risk for heart attacks, clogged arteries, and strokes. This odd red root hack starts working immediately, and it's so easy to do, you'll be furious the abusive eye care industry has hidden it from you for so long. Yet once you see the double-blind studies and Nobel Prize-winning research from Harvard, Cambridge University, and hundreds of other leading institutions, realize for yourself that no matter the lies these greedy eye care executives have forced us all to believe, vision problems are in fact 100% reversible. And the reason vision goes downhill has nothing to do with diet, age, genetics, or how much time you spend watching TV or looking at your phone. Instead, it all comes down to whether the small, microscopic blood vessels in your eyes are wide open and look like this, or twisted, clogged, and backed up like this. And the key to stunning, razor-sharp vision is simply using this red root hack to remove these twisted blockages and flood your eyes with the nutrient-rich blood they need to rebuild and work like new again. Yet don't expect to hear this on the evening news. The mainstream media works hand in hand to protect these greedy pharmaceutical companies and their $147 billion optometry fortune.
They're treating you... I'm not. They are treating you like an idiot right now, making you think, yeah, mainstream media, they're just trying to play on that whole thing to like get you in their camp so that you end up buying something from them. Don't let these people manipulate you, influence you, whatever word people prefer out there. I used the word manipulate one time. Someone got really mad. You shouldn't use that word. It's like, that's not like the worst word ever. Calm down. Not you. The other person I was talking about.
Suppressing the truth and canceling anyone who dares expose it. Even though the vision-enhancing trick you're about to see has passed multiple clinical trials and been proven in over 62,000 Americans who now see better than ever.
I tell you, I used to be blind as a bat, just doing this a few minutes each day. But I'm now 20/20. Just do it. You'll be glad you did.
Everything is in high definition now. Before this, I had to squint to pretty much see anything. Now, reading my Bible in the morning, watching the evening news, making out someone's facial features, doesn't matter. I've got laser vision.
I had a big fat floater right in the center of my vision for 3 years. I thought it would be there for the rest of my life. Now it's gone.
This trick came at just the right time. They were about to take my driver's license because I couldn't see at night anymore. Now I can see perfectly.
And those are just a few of the thousands who've thrown away their contacts and glasses for good. So please watch this video to the very end. Even though the scientific proof is undeniable, the eye care industry is furious with me for exposing this hidden breakthrough. They're fighting tooth and nail to get this page shut down. And I have no idea how long I can keep this video up. So let's get started. Hi, my name is Jim Cooper. I'm 74 years old and live just outside of Cincinnati, Ohio.
All right, I've seen enough Jim Cooper. I don't know. This looks like a guy who obviously was hired as an actor or something. Maybe that's his real name. It doesn't really matter. This is all a scam. This is making you think that a red root hack is going to be able to help you. Ends up being a bottle of pills. And I know that because I finished the video in another tab. And if you scroll down, the video is done. You can see the bottles here, Retina Clear. And they want you to go buy it on another website that I see all the time. They claim here, this is hilarious, 5 stars, 4.91 out of 5 based on 79,200 plus reviews. No attribution, no proof of that. It's just a number they came up with, 79,200 reviews. Money back guarantee. And I've seen these before. And people have told me with similar products, they did not get their money back in the way they were promised. So these money back guarantees with the gold medal and looks all nice and beautifully designed, all that doesn't mean anything unless it delivers later on, right? And that's important. Other stuff here, you're going to get a bonus gift. Who cares? And you got like people here supposedly holding the product. I don't believe it. I mean, I guess they are maybe holding bottles or whatever. It doesn't look completely real, especially like this guy here. It doesn't mean that it actually works. Verified purchases. Okay, give us attribution. How can we, as consumers, make sure that you're not telling us like a lie? And I just don't see anything here that says anything about that. They repeat the money back guarantee, a bunch of other stuff. And so, look, I don't want people out there to lose their money. So go see an eye doctor, right? Don't believe in these sorts of things. There's no parent company on the bottle. It just says Retina Clear. And I can't remember. I just did a few different videos. Is this one where I just saw Brazil or not? It might be coming from Brazil. Wherever it's coming from, this is not something that has any credible backing. It just has a really well put together marketing presentation to try to get people to fall for ordering it. So I hope this has been helpful to you. Like, comment, subscribe down below. And there's a thanks button down below too. The heart-shaped symbol, the $sign. If you want to tap that, that'd be great. Thank you for watching.